Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for coming. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made that shredded coconut with these two small coconuts. The first thing I do is to cut up the coconut, take out the water, the coconut water, and then take out the coconut flesh from the shell. And then scrape out the dark color, the skin from the coconut. We want it all white, so we'll remove that. When we are done peeling off the skin, the next thing is to take our grater and grate the coconut. If you have a food processor, that will do very good work for it. You can use your food processor, set it to grating. As you are doing this, please be careful with your fingers. You wouldn't want to grate your fingers too. When I'm done shredding or grating the coconut, I'll spread it in the tray. Take it out to the sun to dry, or put it in the oven and leave it with the lowest heat. Dry it with the lowest heat. This one I'm not making coconut flakes, so I'm not using much heat, just very low heat for it to dry. And here we have our dried shredded coconuts. Very crispy. And that is it for today. And this is what I got from the two small coconuts. I'll store it in the tight container and then use it anytime I want. Store in an airtight container for your usage. You can use this for any toppings, smoothies, yogurt, cakes, pastries, any toppings. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.